Everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a bar and a column chart using aicuflow. So let's get into it. And I think by now you know the drill. You have to go on My Flows, create a new flow, give it a name like a column chart, and create the flow. Head over to File Manager, then you upload your data as always. Select Files and upload. After it's done uploading, you head over to Plot Dashboard and create plot. You have to select column and bar chart because that's what we're doing. Select your data again, continue. Select your x-axis as LinkedIn engagement, y as YouTube engagement, and we have other advanced options that you can explore, up to you. And one more option we have is to make this column chart that we have right here as a bar chart. Here you have your horizontal bar chart, and now you have your column chart again. Wasn't that really easy? In just a few clicks you have your charts. Do you know these column charts and bar charts are particularly helpful when you analyze trends or changes over time? So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all the social media platforms, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.